A lot of people get a bit stressed at the idea of talking to a dietitian. Think dietitians are the food police that will tell them what they can't eat. And in fact, nearly the opposite is true, because our training encompasses community and food systems, as well as the science of nutrition. The impacts across the state by the work of the dietitians is to provide science-based evidence about what good nutrition really is for all ages, genders, races, in settings from ICUs to communities, and improving their nutrition and well-being, reducing diabetes, food insecurity, eating disorders, and improving the quality of life for Minnesotans. We're at an exciting stage. We've added more components to the program and an ability to make even bigger impacts on the health and well-being of Minnesotans.